Hi guys! So I am back. It's been I think a little over a month, and yeah, I'm back on YouTube. Wanted to just kind of do a catch-up video before I actually start posting content because I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys here in the comments as well as on Instagram as to where I am, how I am, why I wasn't posting content. So yeah, I just thought I'd do like a chit-chat video to kind of tell you guys where I've been. So actually when I stopped posting content, I didn't think I would be gone for this long. I actually thought I wouldn't post for maybe a week, 10 days, but then things just escalated so much that it didn't feel right to me. So the day I think I put out a post on YouTube as well as Instagram saying that I don't think I'm going to be posting content and it doesn't seem right and it seems insensitive because suddenly with the second wave, things just exploded and I think there were just so many appeals for like everything, like for plasma, for oxygen, for medicines. And I felt like as I was doing that, it just felt very insensitive for me to post content. Even though we had content, like I had 2 videos which are ready, which you'll see after this video now. But I just didn't feel like it was like right to post at that point. And after a week, 10 days, I did think of coming back, but it still just kept getting worse, right? I feel like there was just such a, it was such a bad situation for everybody and I just didn't feel right. And I understand that content creation is kind of like entertainment. And I know a lot of you will say, but your videos are entertaining for us or we feel positive looking at your videos. But I just felt like there's so much other content available, right? Like we have so many platforms like Netflix, Hotstar, Z5, Amazon Prime, Wiki, like a zillion not like places to watch content anyway. So I was like, am I adding like in any way? Do I really need to do this? No. So I kind of shifted the focus to doing other things and trying to help people through, sharing their appeals or doing like recruitment posts for jobs, which worked out really well for many people on my Instagram. And that's something I'm going to try and do on a monthly basis. So if you're looking for a job, go to my Insta, there's a post there. I'm going to do another one soon as well. And also like I did these guides for small businesses that were giving back to COVID relief to kind of get the word out and amplify it. And I just felt like doing that was, I felt like I was doing something positive to help in the situation over and above just creating content, which I anyways do. So yeah, that is why I've been missing in action for a while, but I'm completely fine. Family is fine. I hope you guys are fine and I hope your families are fine. And yeah, everybody is doing okay now that things are slightly better. And what else? What have you guys been up to? So yeah, there are a few things that I've been up to over the last 1 month. Obviously watching a lot of content, which you will see in my favorites, which will come up soon. Also, I've gotten completely addicted to Clubhouse, which is insane. Like it's this app I've spoken about earlier as well. But I've been listening to many intelligent conversations there. And I feel like you learn so much through these conversations because it's the only like social media platform that has a lot of important conversations. Like, yeah, so I kind of like that a lot. And also we had the ASCII guidelines, the influencer marketing guidelines that came out. Remember I spoke about this in my vlog ages ago and I said I would do a catch-up video when they come out. So they just came out a couple of days ago. And I actually did a post here and on Instagram as well to kind of tell you what different hashtags that I will use in my content or words mean when you see them so that you know and there's more transparency than just paid partnerships or ads. But let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do a detailed video on the guidelines in terms of what each thing means, how you can complain, all of that, or from a creator perspective as well as a consumer perspective, because you guys can actually complain if you feel like a creator is not following those guidelines as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you want more details on that. I could do like a separate video on that as I had mentioned earlier as well. And yeah, what kind of content do you want to see in addition to this? So I have, what I have coming up for you is a lot of mukbangs. I've shot some fun mukbangs. I've got some fashion content. I've got, what else? Favorites coming up for 2 months, which will be like a big favorites video. And yeah, what else do you want to see? So yeah, please comment below with, whatever content you guys want to see right now, whatever you think is sensitive to the time that we're in, and what's relevant to you and what's helpful to you. Because I feel like a lot of content that's being created now is not really helpful, right? Like when we're in lockdown, we're home and we can't do anything. Also, another thing that I've been thinking a lot about, and even initially was thinking about when I wasn't posting content, was why am I feeling this way? Why is this lockdown so different to the last lockdown? Like last year, we were all in this really productive, really like, oh my God, I want to bake banana bread. Oh my God, I want to create a new work from home station. How to be more productive, how to do this, how to work out from home, blah, 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 blah. Like it was all like hype, right? Like everything was about like ticking boxes and etc. Whereas this time, the sentiment was totally different for me, and I was feeling very low and unproductive, and I just couldn't, like, as I said, like, because there was such an immense loss of life, or I feel like people were struggling so much. Like the messages I got in my DMs from some of you and some people that maybe don't even follow my content but were just so desperate for help. It just broke my heart to the extent where I didn't feel right doing anything. You know what I mean? And that obviously made me realize how different the last lockdown was to this, and how it's not just that we're going through this the second time and it's a deja vu feeling and all that. Yes. But the second wave was just, so much worse, and it's been heartbreaking for so many people. And yeah, I mean, that's why I feel like everything is different, right? Like it's the same, but it's different. I don't know how to explain it. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. But that is kind of how I felt, which was another reason why I just felt like I could not post content, and I just felt like it was too insensitive, and I just wanted to take a break. But now I am back, and yeah, looking forward to all your requests in the comments, because I will be reading them. I will be replying to you guys. I did miss you guys, and I did miss this. Looking forward to creating some content, and hopefully things will get better for all of us. So stay home, stay safe, guys. And if you need any kind of help, you can reach out to me here or on Instagram. As I said, check the job post if you're a small business, comment on our small businesses post. And if you need any kind of amplification help on appeals and stuff like that, also, I mean, you can reach me on Instagram. And otherwise, also just to chat and say, hey, you can reach me on Instagram, you can reach me here. But stay home, stay safe, and comment below with what you guys want to see. And I will try and make some new videos for you guys. See ya. Bye.